Hi students, after giving an examination, have you ever felt काश मुझे एक और chance मिला होता? I could have definitely scored about 95%. Well, CBSE just heard your call, and CBSE 2026 board exam is going to incorporate 5 changes that will be game changer for you. Without further suspense, let's start with number 1. 2 board exams a year. Yup, boards twice. The February one is going to be a mandatory one, while the May one is going to be optional and an improvement attempt. You can reappear in up to 3 subjects in the month of May to improve your score. That's really good. Number 2, 50% competency-based questions. Half of your paper now will be about concepts plus real understanding. रट्टा मारना बंद करो अब, focus on conceptual understanding. Build stronger concept and be a problem solver. Number 3, 20% score towards internal assessment. Internal marks are not now going to be 20% of your final score. Your projects, your class test, your assignments, सब कुछ अब से matter करेगा. It's going to be a continuous performance evaluation rather than a last-minute jugaad solution. Number 4, a new 9-point grading system. Say goodbye to the old 5-point grading system. Say hello to the 9-point grading scale. Clearer, fairer, and much more accurate. And number 5, this is not going to be popular, the 75% attendance rule. Want to sit in the boards? Maintain 75% attendance in your school. Full year bunking strategy is off the window now. So the boards just got much more transparent. These are not small changes. ये पूरा class 10th का game change करने वाला है. As a result of which, if you strategize well using this, you are going to be really successful. All the very best. If this helped, drop a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this new channels. More updates coming your way. Stay tuned.